What's up, you guys? It's your boy Pro Living. It's been a hot minute. I know my hair is a mess. I look like a mess, but it's alright. We're doing alright. So you guys, it's been a hot minute since I made my last video. I just been, catching up with some people, getting some things together, kind of collaborating stuff. And from this point on, I'm going to be very consistent about making videos, at least 2 times a week, whether it be boring or whatever. Alright, so on that note, you guys, I don't know what I want to wear, so let's kind of pick something together, right, you guys? So give me 1 second, let me take a quick shower, and while my intro's rolling, I'm gonna get ready. Let me down. I am back and I look so much better. Goddamn! Alright, you guys, so I just got myself together. I couldn't show you a lot because I'm in a rush, so I'm sorry about that, but here we go, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Let's go. Hey. So you got your swagged out shirt, looking good. Okay, got some gray shorts, and then I'm probably putting on some spares because we're hitting a pool. So I don't want to wear some socks. So here we go.
So this is good because you can really get in there, get around, toss everything together. Especially when you do the noodles, when we do our pad thai, you can really flip them together and get all the sauce incorporated. The other thing, if you ever done any frying, the spider, and we have a deeper one over there, you can just dip it in, kind of strain stuff off. We also use the deeper one for our pasta. So we dip it in, get all the pasta out. It's a little bit easier to try to bring the water over to the thing, drain it out like that, and you get all your pasta done and go ahead and drain it. We also have steamers. So if you like to
what's up, you guys? So right now I'm actually here at Old Town Alexandria. I did not plan to be here. Long story short, I haven't been here in a hot second, and yeah, pretty much they pretty much added and also redid a lot of the infrastructure in terms of like the landscaping and stuff of the Old Town Harbor or Alexandria Harbor, and it's phenomenal. I can't tell you how beautiful it is. I'm gonna show you guys some clips of what it's about, and yeah, hopefully you guys like and have a great day.